Welcome back to Warfighter University. I'm Eric Curry, and today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the modern battlefield: Unmanned Aerial Surveillance Systems, or UAS. These platforms extend a commander's eyes beyond line of sight, giving formations the ability to see first, understand faster, and act decisively. Let's start at the smallest level of employment, the quadcopters and other small UAS. These are lightweight, hand-launched systems that can be carried by a squad or platoon. They're ideal for short-range reconnaissance, scanning a ridgeline, checking a compound, or identifying potential ambush sites. They're inexpensive, easy to train on, and provide near-instant situational awareness to junior leaders on the ground. Small drones like these give tactical formations real-time intelligence without exposing soldiers to unnecessary risk. Moving up, we have the RQ-11 Raven, one of the most widely fielded UAS in the Army. The Raven is a small fixed-wing aircraft, also hand-launched with a range of around 10 kilometers. Its endurance is about 60 to 90 minutes, depending on conditions. Units at the company and battalion level use the Raven for route reconnaissance, overwatch, and target acquisition. It provides a stable video feed that can be shared across the command post, and its quiet profile makes it difficult for adversaries to detect. Next is the RQ-7 Shadow. Operating at the brigade level, the Shadow offers a significant step up in range, altitude, and endurance. It can fly up to 125 kilometers away, remaining airborne for 6 to 9 hours. Shadows are runway launched and recovered, requiring a dedicated platoon of operators and maintainers. The system is more complex, but it provides a persistent stare capability perfect for monitoring named areas of interest or supporting targeting operations. Finally, at the higher echelon, we have the MQ-1C Gray Eagle. This is the Army's premier long-endurance UAS. It can fly for over 25 hours at altitudes up to 25,000 feet, carrying advanced sensors and even munitions for strike capability. Gray Eagles operate at the division and corps level, supporting wide area surveillance, signals intelligence, and precision targeting. Their persistence and payload make them a critical enabler in large-scale combat operations. Across all these systems, the Army integrates UAS into the intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance architecture. From a squad leader with a quadcopter to a division commander leveraging Gray Eagle coverage, unmanned systems provide unmatched visibility and decision-making advantage. The battlefield of today and tomorrow is shaped by information. UAS give us that information faster, safer, and with greater reach than ever before. I'm Eric Curry, and this is Warfighter University. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. For more content like this, follow me on Instagram at Warfighter Univ. Stay lethal, stay ready,